Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. My name is Aisha Bash. I'm cloud developer advocate at Microsoft, and today I'm joined by Bruno. Hi, Bruno.
Hey, guys. Hello, everyone. Yes, I'm Bruno. I'm also cloud advocate at Microsoft. And hey, super happy to be here because I think we are kicking out this series. We are also going to talk about AI and Gen AI. And hey, I'm super excited.
Yeah, me too. This is going to be Generative AI Level Up Tuesday. So there will be multiple sessions, and this is the very first one. So thanks for kicking the series off together with us. And we have a full packed agenda for you today. We can start and jump right in.
Okay, let me share your screen. There it is. Oh,
Okay,
once
thank
again,
you.
here we are.
Okay, here we are again, and I will move right away because we have a lot to talk about today. So, a couple of things I want to highlight before we jump right in. So, we will kick things off with talking about generative AI in today's world and how we can leverage generative AI in Azure. And after that, Bruno will briefly talk about how models, large language models work behind the scene. We have amazing demos for you today. We will show you how we can actually leverage Azure AI Foundry too. And finally, we will show you what is next and what we're expecting to be next in generative AI world. And we will close out this Tuesday's session with all these amazing demos and the information. Okay, so let me kick things off with a statement and very clear statement that captures the essence of our discussion today. Every app will be reinvented with AI. Generative AI is already in the forefront of this revolution, as you all know. And unlike traditional AI, now generative AI creates a new content, brand new content. So this could be anything from human-like text, creating images, composing music as you all are aware and already using in your day to day life. So, um, let's have a look quickly how generative AI is not just a concept of the future, but it's already making a significant impact. This slide basically illustrates how quickly generative AI has been adopted compared to all of the other revolutionary technologies. So it definitely has a special place in our community, in our world. So looking at Microsoft's AI journey, it hasn't been a short journey for sure. So, Microsoft has started in 1991 with Microsoft Research Establishment. And then, late 90s, all of us know the works behind the scene. Clippy and how it comes into our scene, and it was all really excited for us. Then we have Xbox Kinect. If you all remember, we used to work with the Kinect sensors as well. Cloud computing, Cortana took a lot of space in our Windows and day-to-day life too. And finally, moving forward, coming to today, we launched Copilot in 2023, which was the biggest announcement of that year, and we continue improving and we continue adding new stuff in our services. So today specifically, we have a bunch of exciting demos to show you how actually generative AI is used and what how it is capable to build really exciting stuff, not just like building let's say basic APIs or leveraging AI in the apps, but something out of the edge and something more of a out of the box. So we have three demos to show you what AI is capable to do today. And then we will jump right into how generative AI works in Azure. And then we will talk briefly about the models and LLMs and how we can leverage them in Azure AI Foundry. So I have a bunch of demos created for you just to be on the safe side. I've recorded these demos, but you can build them. These services are all available in the Azure Speech Studio. So if you go ahead, you can basically create all of these by yourself today too. So the first demo I have is actually text to speech avatar. So the text-to-speech avatar, you can basically find it in the Speech Studio in Azure AI. If you scroll down, you will find the text-to-speech avatar right at the bottom. You can basically choose your own avatar. Here in the demo, I choose Lori. And then you can basically put any text you want Lori to say, and you can also choose the voice options you want. We have a bunch of different options. And finally, when you hit preview video, then we will be able to view the video and get the
Hi,
result.
I'm Lauren. Welcome to the Microsoft AI Tour. It's a pleasure meeting you all here.
So this is pretty awesome. We can also insert some gestures. If you want to add some thanks, please hand gestures, you can add them too. And also you can change the languages if you want to test another language, and I can only confirm Turkish here. Um, by just changing the text to Turkish and hit preview video, you should be able to get the same video in different languages. So in that case, voice is Emen, and if we test this out,
Merhaba, ben Lori. Microsoft Yapay Zeka turuna hoş geldiniz. Hepinizle burada tanışmak çok güzel.
so you can see the result right away here. If you scroll down, you will see that you can test the sample using Python. We already have sample code available here. And if you scroll down, you can access to all of your resources and services. So this is step one, Speech Studio. But I also want to show you two other services that we have available in the Speech Studio. So the second one we will see today is the live chat avatar. Let me start this one too. If you go to live chat avatar, you can try the sample or you can try on your own. So here, if you just set up your settings, you should be able to choose the language you want, the voice you want, and then you can define your avatar's behavior as well. So here we will choose language English. We can make this multi-language and we can choose the avatar we want. So we can also choose the response style simple, and it will give us some prompt suggestions. And finally, we can test this out by basically hitting the microphone and speaking. Let's make this to multi-language, and then you can choose the languages you prefer. I can only test Turkish in additional, so I'll choose Turkish too. And here we can define some of the behavior we want. We say that your voice assistant, Lori, who helps people learn more about Microsoft AI Tour. So we can ask questions about the AI Tour. So I'm gonna save the changes and let the testing begin. What is the Microsoft AI Tour?
The Microsoft AI Tour showcases Microsoft's advancements in AI, offering education, demonstrations, and networking to help professionals and enthusiasts.
When does AI Tour happen?
The Microsoft AI Tour occurs annually, with specific dates varying each year. Visit the official website for the latest schedule and event details.
What is the benefit of joining the AI Tour?
Attendees gain insights into AI advancements, practical applications, networking opportunities, hands-on experiences, and expert knowledge to leverage.
All right, so and moving on to my favorite demo. I don't know, Bruno, which one is your favorite, but video translation is definitely my favorite.
I like the speech translation because I am using this one. You are going to show the demo now, and I can tell later how we are currently using this, and it's very, very good. So, hey, all yours.
It's pretty cool. So this is a speeded video as well, just to make sure that we don't take too much time when uploading the project. But let me run this and show you as well. So when we create a project with video translation, we can actually choose personal voice and we can upload any video we want. I pre-recorded a video for you all, and we define a project name, number of speaker, language of the video, and the translation. So as you all know, I don't speak Spanish, but some of you may confirm if it is a good Spanish or bad. You can see from the translation. Once we upload this, it might take a couple of minutes to upload the video and create the video translation. So in that case, what we are expecting here is to have full fetch me speaking in Mexican Spanish. So that would never happen in the real world, but we will see if it would really happen in the demo sake using video translation. So once, yeah, go ahead, Bruno.
No, no, no. That while this is processing, and this is super cool because just in case, what this is going to do is going to pick up the voice of the video and is going to generate the new voice in a new language using the original voice. This is a feature that we have that is called personal voice that basically allows to upload any video and then you have that video enabled to basically ready to be speaking in the different language with that voice. This is not you training a voice or using one of the pre-configured voice. The speaker of the video will have that.
Yeah, sorry. I'm so sorry. It started again, but I can quickly move further and show you what it actually does. Okay, so the original of the video is in English. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the AI Tour. It's an absolute pleasure having you all here with us today as we start an amazing journey into the world of generative AI. Whether you're a developer exploring new ideas or just curious about AI, there is something here for you. So get ready for an inspiring experience and welcome to the Microsoft AI Tour, where the future starts now. And we check the translated version. Hola a todos y bienvenidos al Tour de IA. Es un placer absoluto tenerlos a todos aquí con nosotros hoy, mientras comenzamos un viaje increíble hacia el mundo de la IA generativa. Tanto si eres un desarrollador explorando nuevas ideas como si solo tienes curiosidad sobre la IA, aquí hay algo para ti. Prepárate para una experiencia inspiradora y bienvenido al Tour de IA de Microsoft, donde el futuro comienza ahora. Okay, now Bruno, tell me if it is a good Spanish or not.
It's very good. I mean, I speak Spanish, yo hablo español, and it's very, very good. And yes, I know some of you are going to say that, how about the lip? How about the lip syncing? Because this only translates this. So I am going to do a sneak peek super fast here.
Yeah.
In the latest version, this is a video that I created and translate to Portuguese. Okay, this is a set of crappy demos and tests that I have. But if I want to pick up one of the versions and I want to translate this in example to the first one, Saudi Arabia Arabic here, we have this new feature here that is going to also fix, or it's going to do the best to, to fix the lip sync. And you need to be very, very deep, very detailed. You are going to, okay, this is not real, but it's very, very good. So, hey, as I said, this is amazing to create these videos and using the original video to share this. In example, for a set of promotional videos that we have for Reactor series and more, what we are doing when I record the video in English or Spanish, my two languages, in this voice, then if, I don't know, someone from the Reactor ask me, can we have a Portuguese version of this? I shared one of these and they didn't even know that I didn't know I don't speak Portuguese, but it was good enough. So, hey, there are a lot of use cases. I'm happy to share more use cases if someone wants in the chat.
Yeah, with the lip sync, I think it would be hard to identify if it was really yours or not, because voice is exactly the personal voice of the speaker. So it's hard to understand if they're really speaking themselves or if it is video translation. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there are many use cases for this service. So we definitely want you to check out if you have the access to the personal voice service too. I think that would be awesome to have a look too. Okay, so moving on to generative AI in Azure. So as you all know, we have many AI services available in Azure, and the translation